And that's correct. Think of that. Think of producing your voice from your chest. Now, oftentimes when I teach these strategies to my clients, they say, Liz, this feels so weird. It feels like I'm speaking too low. I'm wondering if I'm sounding like a man or if this is really artificial. It takes about 3 weeks to learn a new habit and behavior. It takes a few weeks to disregard the old behavior and get the new one in place. So if you are a speaker who has more nasal resonance, speaks in that thinner, higher voice, or has a voice that wavers, when you come on down to this optimal pitch range, absolutely this is going to feel funny and strange, and it's going to take some time to get used to it.